Welcome to this tutorial on how to control who can see your friends list on Facebook. In today's digital age, privacy is more important than ever, and managing your social media presence is crucial. Today, we're going to walk through the simple steps to ensure that only your friends can view your friends list on Facebook. First, open the Facebook app on your mobile device. Whether you're using an iPhone or an Android, the process is similar. Once you're logged in, look for the menu icon, which is represented by 3 horizontal lines. On an iPhone, this is located at the bottom right corner of your screen, while on an Android, it's at the top right. Tap on the menu icon to open the menu, and then select Settings and Privacy. From there, choose Settings to access your account settings. This is where you can customize various aspects of your Facebook experience. Now scroll down to the Audience and Visibility section. This is where you can manage who can see different parts of your profile. Tap on How people can find and contact you. This option allows you to control several privacy settings related to your profile visibility. In this section, you'll find the option, Who can see your friends list. Tap on this to adjust the visibility settings. Here, you have several choices: public, friends, except specific friends, or only me. For this tutorial, we want to choose friends, so that only those you're connected with can see your friends list. Once you've selected friends, you're all set. This change ensures that your friends list is no longer visible to the public or people you're not friends with. It's a simple yet effective way to enhance your privacy on Facebook. By following these steps, you can maintain control over who sees your social connections, which is especially important in today's online environment. Remember, managing your privacy settings regularly is key to maintaining a safe and comfortable social media experience. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.